Will the Supreme Court let Donald Trump press on with his controversial tariff policy? Here are three things to watch for as the justices prepare to hear high-profile oral arguments on just how far presidential power goes. I'm Josh Gerstein, a senior legal affairs reporter with Politico. Number one, the showdown over Trump's tariff policy represents a collision between two central tenets of conservative legal thought in the United States. One is highly deferential to the president on matters of national security and foreign policy, and the other one is highly skeptical of federal government actions, especially executive branch unilateral actions on matters that have a dramatic impact on the economy. Whether the justices see this as a national security case or primarily as an economic case will be a strong indication of what the result is going to be. Number two, another thing to watch or listen for at the arguments is whether the key justices, the ones whose votes we think are really in play, give any hints about where they're going to come out. For this case, most lawyers think that's Chief Justice John Roberts, Justice Amy Coney Barrett, and Justice Brett Kavanaugh. Kavanaugh may be the most interesting. He's been very skeptical about executive actions that have a dramatic impact on the economy, but he's also someone who believes that the president should be given broad leeway on matters of national security. It's a feeling that dates back to his service in the White House for President George W. Bush during 9/11. Number three, one other thing I'll be watching for at the tariff arguments is any impact of the ongoing government shutdown. The arguments are going forward normally, but the justices are often fond of saying that if they don't get a case right, it can usually be taken care of by Congress later, fixing the statute. At the moment, Congress can't even manage to keep the lights on for the federal government, so those sorts of arguments may fall on deaf ears.